If you want to start a company, you really have to fall in love with the problem, not the solution. I think I became, obsessed with this problem. That was when I think it became a company. QuikCal is a scheduling tool for construction companies. We improve communication from the field to the office on large commercial construction sites. The origin of QuikCal came from a class that all three of us took freshman year, EGR 101, where Duke students are given a client and a problem and assigned to solve that problem.
Honestly, I was never really deep into entrepreneurship at all until taking EGR 101.
It was the first time, a very big point in my life where I got the chance to opt in to something and say yes and be let's just figure out what happens.
Duke's civil engineering alumni named Evan Riley came and pitched a problem where job sites have many logistics problems scheduling material deliveries. Over the past 4 years, we've ended up building QuikCal into a platform that can handle planning and delivery scheduling for large general contractors. So Adria Dunbar at CFCI was really helpful to us, introduced us to the NC State chapter of the I-Corps program, where Dell and I participated in the classes there.
They remained flexible to the feedback that they received. It allowed them to be adaptable in the commercialization plan development and implementation. People from different organizations, different institutions doing interdisciplinary work and allowing us to have cross-sector interdisciplinary dialogue, extremely valuable to the teams coming through I-Corps.
NC State is a land-grant institution, and so our mission is really to be of service to the citizens of North Carolina. And so we're seeking to help anyone who wants to move their innovation forward in a meaningful way.
So doing I-Corps was really open our minds, open our eyes to sort of see how to be more flexible.
I think the I-Corps program was a turning point for our project because it helped us do customer discovery interviews, and through that process we learned that it's really a communication problem. So what QuikCal did is we allowed trades workers to either send a text or just take a picture of whatever's already on the job site, and we would convert that into an actionable schedule that the people in the office can use.
We are located directly behind the emergency entrance at the WakeMed Hospital. We had a need for logistics, so we brought on QuikCal, and they developed a plan to help us coordinate and plan our deliveries to get the vehicles into the project site safely. As we were doing the parking deck and the building, we averaged about 40 to 50 deliveries a day. So it was very important for our team and for our neighbors to coordinate these deliveries and get them into the project site.
Whether it be from a design standpoint, if you want to go deep into the code, or just the business side and being able to do pitches and talk in front of a VC, which was terrifying, by the way. It's offered me so many chances to, become a better person, a better engineer, a better teammate.
The biggest thing that I got out of this was just being willing to learn new things, being willing to be passionate about learning. I didn't know where this was gonna go, but I always knew that I was getting a lot out of it because I was learning.
I really enjoyed all the time that I spent with my two co-founders. I think there is something special about the people you meet doing a startup. You get to be friends outside of work.
All three of us came in with different experiences and different ideas about, what we wanted out of the project, but we were able to come together and build a product that we're all proud of, and we kept at it. And so I think it was that perseverance that is what I'm gonna remember.
If you wanted to start a startup, you need to work the problem. You don't have to think of all the pieces and put them all together all at once. But as long as you're just figuring out the next step, you will always end up where you need to be.
Back in January, we finished up our work on QuikCal and actually ended up selling it to a tech company in the construction sector that is acquiring our code, and we're looking forward to the next chapter after college. Each of us have software engineering jobs at different companies. This has been a great way to wrap up our senior year.